Read verse 18 again.
So we look not at things which are seen. Okay? If all you are looking at is what you can see, you need better vision. There is an invisible world that you're not aware of. You're part of it. You just don't recognize it because you're walking around in this earth suit. This earth suit is keeping you focused on earthly stuff.
And remember, the Lord has already said that there are some divinely guaranteed things that will be poured out for the people of faith. And those are the things that are invisible.
Mm-hmm. And the redemption of your body is spiritual.
Yeah, that's one of them. Yeah, that's one of them right there. And so he looks at the unseen things, and therefore through faith he can see it. This brings us to chapter 5, verse 1 of 2 Corinthians, because he says he looks at the invisible.
Right.
And so therefore he comes down here and says, we know.
For we know that if the earthly tent, our physical body, which is our house, is torn down through death, we have a building from God, a house not made with hands, eternal in heaven.
He says we know it, but we don't see it yet.
Now,
go ahead.
Do you know that? Do you know that you have a heavenly body apart from this thing right here? That thing we put in the dirt at our funerals, that is not the end.
It's not.
Okay? Now the people the people who pass away, we have the funeral services, we bury them and we weep and we cry and we miss them, right? Because that in your face is gone. You don't see them like you used to see them. You can't talk to them the way you used to talk to them. That part is gone. But that's not the end.
It is the beginning.
It is the beginning
of the reaping of the redemption of the body, the obtaining of eternal inheritance.